Hey y'all, welcome back to Horse Range Mountain Farm. So the boys have bought this Redstone portable kerosene convection heater to go in the shop. And we're going to see if we can put it together. I got all the parts laid out here.
Don't you go?
Alright, the first thing we got to do is put the bottom on, the base. It's got these little tabs right here, and we got to click these in it. You put it on here, and you turn it clockwise. Alright, those are clicked in. Alright, the next thing we got to do is we got to put our guards on here. Just slide in those little holes. You gotta make sure you got the right ones in the right place. This one's got a cutout for the front for the adjustments and things on it. The next thing we gotta do is put the burner in here. And it says to line the spring up with the little door right here, so when you open the door, the spring is right there. I'm going to set it right there. See, it's kind of in the middle there. And then this sets down right over the top of it here. The lid. Okay, the next thing we got to do is put the top on it. Hooks underneath all of these. I think all we got left to do is put the handle on here. Let's see, where does this thing go? Oh, right here. It just goes right through here on each side. It's got these little brackets you gotta line up. And there you go. And it's all put together, guys. Just a quick, easy setup. Alright, I forgot to put the batteries in it, and that's all we like. Just takes 2C batteries and you just pop them in there like that. Real easy. There you go, folks. One working kerosene heater. You guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.